Of course, you've got to remember the topography of this area. We're talking about a lot of these very alpine regions, which are very difficult to get to. So if they don't get a really firm handle on those, they don't want those jumping across the Great Dividing Range and joining up with the Gippsland blazes. But, I mean, they're obviously just trying to assess the situation. We did hear at one stage that there was some 66,000 hectares that are aflame at the moment in Victoria, and the fires have already burnt through more than 500,000 hectares. So at this stage, the people behind me are obviously trying to work out which areas to hit first, and also obviously to try and get some of those people that are trapped in there to safety. There's about 4,000 in Mallacoota and about 100 in Genoa as well as the 12 up in the relief centre in Curryong, as I mentioned. So that also, these reconnaissance flights, I mean, they're obviously also really hoping to find those 4 people who are unaccounted for. We did ask Andrew Crisp this morning whether or not there was any further information on those 4 people, and he said, you know, unfortunately the fires have just been so fierce and so difficult that they really don't have any further information on those people at this stage. Today we saw some of those horrific scenes that looked like Armageddon with the dark red skies as about 4,000 people huddled on the beach.